Okay, y'all, I'm doing a quick video on the inn at Santa Fe. It's on Cerrillos Road here. Probably about a good 10 to 15 minute drive from the plaza downtown. It's a little farther away than I thought it was going to be. But during the season here, if you're staying down by the plaza, you're going to pay some pretty steep pricing. So I was able to get a good deal out here at the inn at Santa Fe. So I'm just going to show you the front here. And I'll take you in and just give you a quick room tour. I don't know if you can see this very well. The sun's coming up here. The inn at Santa Fe. There we go. So anyway, I'm going to go in here and I'll just show you the little breakfast area. There's some people in there. It's early, but I don't know if they're going to want to be filmed. So if I can, I'll show you what's for breakfast. If not, I'll tell you what I had once we get to the room. So hang on one second here. Put it on pause. This little reception area. Not a very big hotel. Cool little breakfast area here. This little fireplace. Pancakes, little eating area. Oh, and here's the pool. Hot tub and pool, and some areas to sit out here and chillax at night. So, take you to the room here in just a second. Okay, so the breakfast was your basics, toast, bagels, cereal. They're doing pancakes, but that's about it for the hot food. There's no eggs or biscuits or bacon or anything. It's supposed to be a full buffet breakfast here. So that's a little disappointing. So 105, let's see if we can get in here. There we go. Okay, so here is the room real quick. Now, when you book this, like on Priceline, they're going to give you a choice between like 2 queen beds or a king suite or whatever. Those are more expensive, but if you give them their choice, they'll give you one of these like little efficiency rooms, and they're pretty cheap. Comes with, it's like a Murphy bed, I know. Not the best thing in the world, but I slept on this one last night. It wasn't too bad. And this sofa has a pull-out bed as well. So if you're a solo traveler, this is a good room. Or if you're like 2 good friends, don't mind sleeping in the same room together, you can get away with this room for a few nights. You got a little refrigerator, microwave area, some storage, and you've got a nice business chair here, a desk, pretty good sized desk. Another chair there. Again, there's the bed. You do have a door out here that leads to the pool. And there's some sitting areas out here too. Down around there, there's some couches and stuff. But so the size of this room is a little tight. We'll call it cozy. I saw this big round, I thought this was a column at first, but interestingly, you'll see this is the shower. This is pretty cool, but you got a nice the vanity area here. I don't have the light on right now. You got a sliding door here. Privacy in the bathroom. And then check out this shower. At first I just thought it was a little shower. This is what it looks like. But this thing goes all the way around and fills that round dome area. So like, you think it's just like a little square shower, but it goes all the way over here. It's a pretty big size shower. I'm a big dude, and plenty of room in there. So here's an idea of what one of these little efficiency